Where rainforest meets volcanic drama, Dominica emerges as the Caribbean's most extraordinary ecological sanctuary. Often called the Nature Island, this destination transforms tropical experiences into a raw, unfiltered journey through one of the planet's most pristine natural landscapes. Roseau, the capital, becomes a gateway to unprecedented ecological adventures, where wilderness speaks louder than human infrastructure. Travelers in 2025 will discover a destination that defies conventional Caribbean tourism, offering an immersive experience in one of the world's most untouched tropical environments. For wilderness enthusiasts, Dominica reveals landscapes that challenge human imagination. Morne Pitons National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers adventures through boiling lakes, dense rainforests, and volcanic landscapes that feel more like unexplored planetary territories than traditional Caribbean destinations. Travelers can navigate through ancient forest trails, encounter rare endemic species, and immerse themselves in a destination that represents the purest expression of tropical wilderness. Beyond its physical beauty, Dominica represents a sophisticated journey where ecological preservation and natural splendor create an unforgettable narrative of environmental wonder.